In the previous video, we opened a buy trade on Bitcoin, and now we will have an example for a short position together. Our assumption is that we have a $5,000 account and we want to set QTY and leverage for a trade with 1% risk. Make sure to watch the previous video so that you can understand this video even better. For this example, I choose the AVAX chart, but we have to do the same things on any chart we want to trade. So basically, it doesn't matter. From this section, open a margin mode menu and select the isolate option. For a chart like Bitcoin, which is more expensive than most altcoins, we should use a decimal number for QTY. But for this chart, I start with 100. Well, I will select the last price of the buyers and open the add SL/TP menu from here. First, I choose the direction. I don't enter anything in the TP price because right now, our focus is on how to manage risk. But in the next video, we will learn how to set a position with multiple TPs together. For SL, I enter the stop loss price. After entering the price of SL, down here, it will show the dollar amount of our possible loss. Now, by changing the leverage and QTY, we can get the cost number and also the SL number close to the desired dollar amount. While you are pressing the like button, you can see how the changes in QTY and leverage affect the cost and the SL amount. Our account was $5,000 and we wanted to have 1% risk for each trade. So the amount of loss should be $50 and the cost number should be something around $52 to $55. You can see that we have reached the desired number. Now you should do the same according to the amount of money you can trade with in the futures market. For the next video, we will learn how to set up multiple TPs for one trade.